So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to deactivate Microsoft Meetings on Zoho CRM. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select this first website right here. Now log into your account right here and after that select this profile icon. Now go with this option called Access Zoho CRM. Now select this settings icon. Go with this Microsoft option and you can see this disable option right here. Now just select it and again select this yes disable option. And just like that, now you guys have successfully disabled Microsoft Meetings from your Zoho CRM account. So that's how you guys can able to deactivate Microsoft Meetings on Zoho CRM. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.